This is an abandoned Volkswagen T5 van. A once proud road trip warrior now left forgotten in the middle of nowhere, surrounded by overgrown grass and whistling birds. But the gearheads at Mad 4 Motors aren't letting it die here. In the next few minutes, they'll attempt to drag this lifeless transporter from the wild and transform it into an ultra-modern camper van. It's a big dream, but an even bigger challenge considering the current state of the van. Can they actually pull it off? Looking at this van from afar, it's difficult to tell the true extent of the damage concealed underneath its body, but some of its scars are pretty obvious from close range. Nearly every inch of the exterior shows signs of wear and tear, but before the restorer can even attempt to reverse the damage, he needs to get rid of the dirt in the load space. With that cleanup process completed, it's time to rip off each component piece by piece. Now that the interior has been stripped, it's time to kickstart the rehabilitation. But first, the restorer wasn't happy with the dirt scattered across the interior. So once again, he grabbed a floor brush and dustpan and got to work. But just when I thought he was done, this guy brought out a high-pressure spray washer, and the rest was history. With the load space now spotless, it's time to shift gears to the next phase. The restorer started by ripping off the front headliner and replacing it with metal bracing. I couldn't really figure out why he did that, but his next move made me even more curious. He cut straight through the roof, creating a large opening for the build. And that's when I figured he's gearing up to build a pop roof. But before starting the construction, yep, it's exactly what you're thinking. After 2 rounds of deep cleaning, including one that featured a high-pressure wash, this restorer still thinks the load space is not clean enough. Once that was sorted, he scanned through the interior one last time to disassemble more components, albeit with the help of 2 young and upcoming restorers. Then it was time to construct a new pop roof frame. With the pop roof frame now hovering above, the gaps along the van's interior walls looked even more exposed, so the restorer moved quickly to seal them up. But contrary to what you might think, this is not a one-size-fits-all process. Some areas got sleek aluminum sheets, while others were covered with wooden boards. But in the end, each section got the exact material required in the correct quantity. What followed next was a rapid-fire round of repairs and dismantling. The interior was beginning to look reborn, but the restorer wasn't done upgrading it. Next, he wrapped leather around the wooden boards on the right, then mirrored the treatment on the left using aluminum, wood, and the same plush textile that was used on the right. Edges were glued for perfect alignment, and any excess material was sliced away for a tight fit. And then, it was time to tackle the mechanical issues. The sight of that pop roof sitting on the van was so exciting to watch. I mean, this guy had me locked in from the beginning, but somehow, he kept raising the bar with every move, and he was only just getting started. Next, he turned his attention to the flooring. The goal here was to transform the bare metal floor into something beautiful and worthy of a modern camper van. So he went all in with a multi-layer setup, tough enough to handle heavy gear and insulated to keep things cozy no matter the weather. I was absolutely enjoying every bit of the process as the restorer flawlessly aced through the challenges. But right about now, it's time to halt the process briefly and get some quick history lessons about this van. The Volkswagen Transporter first hit the roads in 1950. Since then, it has been reinvented across generations, and with over 12 million units sold worldwide. This ultimately makes it the best-selling van in history. But beyond this, its reliability and go-anywhere spirit mean it remains the heartbeat of camping van life, even till today. With our quick history class now done and dusted, it's time to reassemble the components. But first, the restorer needed to fix a few more things. That marked the item on the restoration checklist. As you'd expect, it's a work of art compared to the rickety van you saw earlier. The difference is unbelievable. From a dirty, rusty, and lifeless van, this beast has been transformed into a state-of-the-art camper van. Here, the pop roof rises smoothly, revealing the cozy headroom available in the interior. And once you slide the door open, and you're immediately greeted with a sleek interior, featuring a lush base cabinet, soft leather, television, warm lighting, and other exciting amenities. If I'd seen the van in the beginning, I would have walked away without a second thought. But seeing it now that it has been transformed, I would happily pay to have it in my garage. Would you do the same? Let me know your thoughts in the comments section, and don't forget to check out other amazing restorations on the channel.